I've been exploring the tagged dating mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Tagged dating is a social networking and dating app aimed at adults who want to meet new people, flirt, and hang out through chat and live video rather than just swiping in silence. It is positioned for singles looking for dates as well as people who simply want to pass time, watch streams, and make casual connections in their free moments. At its core, the app lets you discover and connect with people nearby, using your location to surface profiles from your area so conversations can more easily turn into real-life meetups. You can browse users, match with people who seem to share your vibe, and start one-to-one chats that feel similar to a traditional messaging app. For everyday use, this means you might open Tagged to see who is online around you, send a quick message to someone interesting, or keep an ongoing conversation going while you commute or relax at home. However, the experience is not perfect, and some users do talk about technical and design frustrations. For example, there are reports of the app freezing on the opening screen after certain iOS updates, forcing a full device restart to recover, which can be annoying if you rely on the app for regular social interaction. Others mention that recent updates have changed how location works. Instead of allowing easy browsing of people in different cities or future travel destinations, they feel restricted to a small local circle, reducing the sense of exploration that some users enjoyed. Overall, tagged dating is a solid choice if you value a lively mix of dating, casual chat, and live streaming, and you like the idea of meeting people who can match your energy in real time rather than just reading profiles. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.